How to log into your HelloFresh account. Logging into your HelloFresh account is easy whether you are using the mobile app or the website. So here we are using the website option. Open a web browser as your preferred one on your computer or mobile device. Then simply type www.hellofresh.com in the browser's address bar and press enter to visit their website. Now, once you're inside their website, on the top right corner of the home page, you will see a login button. Simply click it. Once you click it, you can see the email address and password box option available in the left side. Enter the email address you used to create your HelloFresh account and enter your account password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it, and simply after entering your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. If you have logged in using your other social media account, then simply tap on the Login with Google or Login with Facebook and log in easily. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.